Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix default gateway not available in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For that, you need to open your Windows 11 setting, click on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings. You should disable and enable if you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you are using Ethernet, click on Disable, click on Enable. If you are using Wi-Fi network, click on Disable and click on Enable. Then close it. Open Command Prompt. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on S. Type here net sh space int space ip space reset. After that, check your problem solved or not. If you facing same error, if you facing same error, click on Start menu, click on Task Manager, click on Startup. If you have any antivirus, you should disable your antivirus, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way, you fix default gateway is not available in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.